Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session number 5, the Seen and Sought series. And today we'll discuss and we'll learn connected forms of the Seen and Sought series. Okay. I write all the connected forms of Seen and Sought series here. Okay, and then I'll explain it to you how they look like and how they forms. So here is the table, and you can see their independent form: Seen alphabet, Sheen alphabet, Sod and Zod alphabet. And here are their initial form, how they look like when they connect themselves with another alphabet at the start in initial step, how they look like. You can see here, okay? Then how they look like in their medial format when they come in between two alphabets, how they look like, you can see here, okay? And in the last, their final form, how they look like at the end of any alphabet, you can see here, okay? And that's it for today's session. Keep it in mind and try to memorize their shapes and their formations, like how they look like in their initial, medial and final forms, the Seen and the Sword series alphabets. Okay, till the next session, Allah Hafiz and take care.